Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn number counting 1 to 30 and then in our notebook children today I will teach you to write numbers 1 to 30 in series. Children, today we will also revise number names of numbers 1 to 6. Children, today I will teach you what comes after between numbers 1 to 10 and then we will do the same activity in the notebook. Children, in our activity book, we will trace and write number 15. Children, so let's start our today's maths learning. Children, now let's learn number counting 1 to 30 with the help of this chart. Children, now speak with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 comes 10. 1, 0, 10. Children, after 10, this is the number 11. After 10 comes 11, then comes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and after 19 comes 20. 20. So speak with me. After 20, the next number is 21. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, now comes 27, 28, 29 and this is 30, 30. Children, today I am going to introduce you to write numbers 1 to 30 in series. First I am going to write on the board which you have to watch carefully. Okay children, so I am going to write and you have to speak along with me. Okay, so let's start. This is today's date children, today is 3rd September 2021. Children, I have made the page of your notebook on the board. First, you will leave this line. Okay, children, leave the first line. Okay, and then from the second line, you have to start writing. 1, 2. So, speak and write on the line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 will come here and 0 will come below 9, 1, 0, 10. 1 to 10 you have to write like this children. Then leave the next block. After 10 comes 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. And this way you have to write 11 to 20. After 20 children, you have to leave the next line and then write 21 like this. After 21 comes 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. In this way children, you have to write numbers 1 to 30 in series. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now let's write number counting 1 to 30 in series in the maths notebook. First we will write today's date children. Today is 3rd September 2021. Children, leave the first block, okay, or the first line and start writing from the second one, okay. Now we will write number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 comes 10. So 1 will come here and 0 will come below 9. After this children, leave the next line and then start writing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then comes 17, 18, 19 and here comes 20 like this children. Again leave the next line. Then after 20 comes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You have to write on the line. 26, 27, 28, 29, and here comes 30. 30. Then children, leave the next two lines and we will write 1 to 30 one more time in the same page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Leave the next line. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So speak and write. 17, 18, 19, and here comes 20. Leave the next line, children. After 20 comes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and here comes 30. 30. In this way, children, you have to write number counting 1 to 30 in your maths notebook. Children, now let's revise and read number spellings of numbers 1 to 6. Okay, which I taught you. Now you are able to recognize capital letters. So with the help of capital letters, children, let's read number names. Okay, this is number 1, O-N-E, 1. After 1, children, comes 2, T-W-O, 2. This is 3, and its spelling is T-H-R-E-E, 3. After 3 comes 4. This is number 4, F-O-U-R, 4. This is number 5, children, and its spelling is F-I-V-E, 5. Now comes 6. This is number 6, S-I-X, 6. In this way, children, with the help of number names, you are able to read.
वापस बोलो, ये लाइन लास्ट की वापस बोलो.
In this way, children, with the help of capital letters, you are able to read number names 1 to 6, the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you the concept of what comes after. Children, look at the board. I have written some numbers. Okay, now you have to tell me what will come after this number. So recognize, children. Come on, tell me which number is this. This is number 4. And in the counting, children, what comes after 4? So how? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. Yes. So you are going to write 5 here. Okay. Now tell me which number is this? This is number 6. What comes after 6 in the counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 comes 7. So you have to write 7 here. This is number 3. And what comes after 3? 1, 2, 3. After 3 comes 4. So you have to write 4. Children, the next number is number 1. And what comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. Yes, you are right. So write 2 here. Children, this is our next number and it is number 7. And after 7 comes, come on, quickly tell me. After 7 comes 8. Yes. So write 8 here. Children, this is next number. This is number 9. Are you able to recognize it? Yes. This is number 9. And after 9 comes 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Next number is number 8. And what comes after 8, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 comes 9. You all know number counting, isn't it? This is number 2. After 2 comes 1, 2. After 2 comes 3. So you have to write 3 here. Children, this is number 5. And what comes after 5? After 5 comes 6. So children, I hope now you are able to understand What comes after? Now I'm going to show you how you're going to do the same thing in the notebook. Children, now let's write numbers. What comes after, the concept of what comes after, which I taught you on the board. And now we will do the same thing in the notebook. So let's start, children. First we will write today's date. Today is 3rd September 2021. Children, the first number, as you can recognize, is number 4. What comes after 4, children, in the counting? After 4 comes 5. So you have to write 5 here. Okay. See what I have written here with a pen. This is number 6. And what comes after 6? Just remember, after 6 comes 7. Like this. Children, which number is this? This is number 1. And what comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. So write 2 here. Children, now the next number is number 5. What comes after 5? After 5 comes 6. You all know number counting 1 to 10 very well, isn't it? This is number 8. What comes after 8? Quickly. Now tell me. After 8 comes 9. Very good, children. This is number 2. And what comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3. So write 3 here. Now, the next number is number 7. What comes after 7? After 7 comes 8. Very good. Children, this is number 9. And now tell me, what comes after 9? After 9 comes 10. 1, 0, 10. Write like this. This is number 3. After 3 comes 4. Very true. In this way, children, you have to do what comes after between number 1 to 10 in your notebook. Children, now it's activity time. So bring your maths activity for generations book. And now open page number 21 and write today's date. Today is 3rd September 2021. Like this, children. So children, what you are going to do? You are going to trace and write number 15. 1, 5, 15. Now children, let's quickly count these beautiful feathers. We always start counting from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 feathers. Okay. 10 and 5 more makes number 15. 1, 5, 15. Now let's, children, trace and write the number 15. Put your pencil on this pink dot and then trace all these tiny little dots. 1, 5, like this. So you have to finish this whole line till here. Okay. Then come to the second line. Again trace and write. So you have to trace all these dots, and in this empty box, children, you have to write on your own. 1, 5, 15 and write on the pink line. Touch the line, bottom line. Okay. Again you have to come to the third line and then you have to trace and write till here, and all these empty box you have to write on your own. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. In this way you have to finish this page till here. Okay children, so finish this page, take its picture and send it to me.